Alright guys, welcome to today's video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do stuff. Probably not the right way, or you should probably take your car to a mechanic, a real one that's not figuring it out as he's recording the video. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some stuff. Alright guys, like I said, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm actually recording this video Monday morning, 10 a.m. So I have until 8 a.m. to get this video recorded, edited, and posted. So it's another hectic week I had. I want to start off today's video with just a quote, like a nice car guy quote, right? This is from Henry Ford. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain, you know? That's a real thing, you know, with these cars. We like to point out that, hey man, the manufacturers built this wrong, and then we go and we find a way of dealing with that flaw, and then we're like, still the greatest car in the world. That's pretty much what we do. So don't find fault, find remedies. But today we're gonna be working on a 350Z. I already did some work to it. She had some bad wheel studs in the front and in the back. This is a few of them right there. So we got those wheel studs changed out. In the front, it's just a complete hub that is actually pretty easy to change. Now that rear hub, oh my god, was that thing a nightmare to deal with, because even after I got the axle out, I got all the arms out, because there's like 3 arms in the back that holds the hub on. You see that there? This is the bearing. This is the side that goes towards this is the side that goes towards the shaft. This is the side that goes towards the rim. This thing here, the race, popped right out of the bearing and got stuck on the hub. So I had to use a grinder and cut the bearing race off the hub. Then I had to bang out the broken studs and put in the new studs, then press the new bearing onto it. Then go through the full process of reinstalling everything. But it's not as hard as it seems. It's just I probably didn't know what the hell I was doing, like I usually do. But we also installed a AC belt for this thing. So if you guys don't know your AC belt number, this is it right here. Yeah. So we put an AC belt on it. The car wasn't getting cold, and what we did is I put 1 can of Freon in it. It got cool, but it didn't get cold. So what I'm gonna do now is I got instructions from the owner. I asked him if he want me to vacuum out the system and then fill it with Freon once we pull down a nice vacuum on it to make sure there's no moisture, no dirt in the system. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. So I'm gonna set up the AC system thing first, because the vacuuming takes a while. It takes about, I might give it about an hour to really clean out the system. Then whilst the thing is vacuumed, what the hell, what was I gonna say? Whilst the hell, man, I gotta wipe that and kind of talk off my mouth. Whilst the AC system is being vacuumed out, I'm gonna be pulling off the left side control arm, not control arm, the left side lower control arm, and we're gonna be pressing out the old bushings. Oh, actually no, I'm gonna be putting the control arms from my 350Z into this one, but because these ones are bent, so I'm gonna take mines, press the bearings, the bushings out of them. How many grammar errors am I gonna have in one video? I am going to press the bushings out of them, press new bushings into them, and then we're gonna reinstall them. So I'm probably gonna time lapse some of it, and then as I'm going to use the press, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to use a press, how to get bushings out properly without destroying a control arm, or how to install them properly without destroying a control arm. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so as you guys have just seen, I pressed this bushing out of the control arm, and pretty much what you want to do is you literally, this is sitting here like that, you just want to find something that doesn't touch the control arm itself or can fit inside of it. This side was too big, so I used the smaller side, and I could got through just fine. And then you line it up where the bushing can squeeze between like whatever you're bracing it against, like these metal plates here, and then you just keep pressing on it until it comes out. And like I said, it comes out clean just like that. So we're going to be pressing in the new bushing now, and then we should be putting these arms that came off of my car onto his car. Surprisingly, these things look, I guess, a lot alike, but they're the stock ones. Both of them are stock ones. So gonna get these put on, and then hopefully it rides without clunking. New bushing pressed in, ready to go. Alrighty, we have both bushings in, nice and firm, nice and firm. I'm gonna sand this down ever so slightly and throw some probably black paint on it, or whatever paint I have laying around, just to save the surface of it. And we should be good to repeat this on the other side of the car and fill the AC system, and I'm all done with this 350Z. Alright guys, so as you can see, I am extremely tired. This 350 job really took it out of me, probably just because it was my first time doing it. Doing the rear hub or the front hub, I think though the rear hub was definitely the biggest cut up. The biggest challenge, I should say. The front arms, learning to press definitely was a challenge, but once I did the first one, the second one came as cake, you know. So just doing it for the first time really got in the way of doing it quickly, I should say. But the car is completely done, AC is gassed up. Used control arms that came off of my 350Z, and I pressed in new bearings, so pretty much we were getting a knocking sound, like a rock, like that, click, click, something like that, like when you're turning. And I'm gonna take it for a spin now. It's definitely low on fuel, so I don't want to go too far, but take it for a spin. I just want to make sure that we're not hearing any more front end noise, and we should be good to go. So let's take it for a spin, see what it does. All right guys, excuse the noise. I'm gonna keep the AC on. I just want to verify that it's getting nice and cold. So let's start taking it for a test drive. There you go. Get my seatbelt on. Oh, messing up the camera. And sorry if this video doesn't come out too good. I am holding my camera right in my hand, and I just have my mic turned towards me. Just trying to get some type of footage. All right, let's see if I can get out this spot now. Got it. Already the AC is getting nice and cool. Just gonna try to take it through the corner. I'm still hearing like a slight clunk, like when I turned full lock just now, but I'm not sure where that noise is coming from. So let's just take it for a spin and see what happens. There's still some play in the wheel. Might be from like tie rods and stuff, not sure. Drives pretty good. AC's getting nice and cold. All right, let's take it back to the shop. That should be done. Job complete. We got a job completed. We got the lower control arm bushings and the lower control arm changed on both sides. We got the front left hub changed. We got the studs in the rear left hub changed. We got the bearing in the rear left side changed. We got the AC system going. So pretty much everything is done on this vehicle, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I have to now rush home because it's almost 5 o'clock. I gotta edit this video for you guys and then post it so that it comes out maybe an hour later. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, don't drift without your dreams. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.